If you've been battling mold in your home and nothing seems to work, you're about to learn the one essential hack that actually stops mold before it spreads. No more endless scrubbing, no more harsh chemicals, and no more worrying about hidden mold damaging your home. This trick is simple, fast, and incredibly effective, making your home cleaner, safer, and fresher instantly. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful home hacks that save you time, money, and stress. Understanding why mold keeps coming back. Mold doesn't grow randomly. It's caused by trapped moisture, poor airflow, and surfaces that stay damp for too long. Bathrooms, kitchens, closets, and basements are especially vulnerable because warm, humid air gets trapped and creates the perfect environment for mold spores to multiply. Even if you clean mold constantly, it will return if the underlying moisture problem stays. That's why this essential hack works. It stops mold where it starts. The essential hack: using a natural moisture-blocking spray. The secret to stopping mold growth isn't just cleaning, it's creating a protective barrier that prevents moisture from settling on surfaces. A simple DIY mixture of white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and essential oils works like a natural mold shield. When sprayed regularly, it keeps your walls, tiles, and corners dry and inhospitable to mold. This solution kills existing spores and prevents new ones from attaching, giving your home long-term protection without harsh chemicals. How to make your anti-mold barrier spray. To create the spray, mix 1 cup of white vinegar, half a cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of water, and 20 drops of tea tree or eucalyptus oil. These ingredients work together to break down mold at the root while leaving behind a fresh, clean scent. Vinegar disrupts mold growth, alcohol dries the surface quickly, and essential oils act as natural antifungals. Shake the mixture well and store it in a spray bottle for easy weekly use. Where and how to apply the spray for maximum effect. Focus on mold-prone areas: shower corners, window frames, walls near sinks, closets, and behind appliances. Spray a light layer on clean surfaces and let it air dry. No wiping necessary. For heavy mold zones, spray twice a week for the first 2 weeks, then once weekly to maintain protection. This simple routine stops mold colonies from forming and controls humidity on surfaces you can't always dry manually. Boosting the hack with smart airflow tricks. The spray works even better when combined with small airflow improvements. Keeping bathroom doors open after showers, using fans, placing moisture absorbers in closets, and opening windows for just 10 minutes daily can significantly reduce indoor humidity. These small changes create a drier environment where mold simply can't survive. Natural deodorizers that keep mold odors away. Mold leaves behind a musty smell, even after cleaning. To remove odor naturally, place bowls of baking soda, activated charcoal, or coffee grounds in mold-prone areas. These absorb moisture and trap odors without chemicals. Combine them with your anti-mold spray for a fresher, healthier home. These solutions are inexpensive and work continuously in the background, keeping your home smelling clean 24/7. With this essential hack, mold doesn't stand a chance. You're not just cleaning it, you're preventing it from ever coming back. This simple routine saves you money, protects your home's surfaces, and gives you peace of mind knowing your space is healthy and safe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video so more people can benefit from this easy mold-fighting solution. Comment below if you want a full video on natural mold removers or how to clean mold from walls, grout, or fabric. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more.